Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka ba dunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kaseng kan thay Lachmer, ringga ka jes nok tilang bat ka dorbas nong Lachmer. Mentaka kandata ujemmang kalapan longi katama sapan ibam ban marbam ne ka food fest kam jumble sale ka bashisngi ka balapan long ha parking lot Lachmer persha ka ATM. Na lor ki marbam mardi la don ru gajing liakai kum gajing kwai so ka wangbol hakitin ka jing set renti bat ki wei de ki jajing liakai ba per. Om tangkata la don ru ki dukan de jan bat ki wei de ki jaj dukan ki ba bon jaj. Hakani ka sngi ba khot pelong ka seng kan thay Lachmer ya katika tamasa ka bashisngi ka kong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner East Castles District kalawan benshim benta kum ka kongsan la don ringkat urang ba shnong ka Lachmer u Dr. Amanwar ki nongkat kam shnong ki seng kan thay ki kana school ki ba marjan na lor ki ba shakot ngobha.
At the outset, I'd like to thank God for giving us this opportunity to be here to witness this very important day for Lashmir, since it's a red letter day for the locality, for having taken up this move to have these kind of activities in the locality. I'd like to thank Rambashno, Dr. Amanwar, for having me here along the President of the Senkantai, our Secretary of the locality, Madam Hanbo, who's a well-known figure of the society. I'd also like to thank the MC, who's a very close friend and associate from sports, and also the Secretary of the Senkantai. All the members of the Senkantai present here, the Rangba Dong, the young people who sang Samla, the President, the Secretary, and of All Saints School, and the residents of this locality. And all those people who are here for various reasons, as Doctor has mentioned. Some of you have come to this locality to work, some of you have come to do business, and some of you are here to study and various other activities. It is indeed a very important moment for the locality, since it's the first time, as you've heard, and any first move, any first step for any locality or any society for that matter, it's the most crucial one, because that first step is the most difficult step. The second, the third will just, slide in and, it'll just happen. But that first move is always something very important, and it'll go down memory lane, and you'll remember this day. So I congratulate all of you for having organized this food fest as well as a jumbo sale that we can see on my left side. And I wish the locality members all the best. I used to stay in one locality where Dr. Amanwar was also grew up in, and over there we always have this kind of events, and it becomes an annual kind of thing. From what I see, and I've been a member of the Senkantai there, and it gives us a sense of belonging. It brings people together, the residents together. It gives a sense of safety for us when we move around in the locality, because we come to know each and every resident. sometime in this modern world, and especially your locality is one of the poorest locality in the society. I think so. Some of you may not even know your neighbors, so to say, which is happening in my locality where I'm staying now. I kind of do not know everyone. But then back then where I was staying, we know each and every family. So that kind of thing only happens when there's a connect. And this connects begins today in your locality. I congratulate all of you. And also, like, one thing is that as, Kong leader has mentioned that you have a very vibrant Rambashnam. And we really need good leaders because if having a good leader, then they are far-sighted and they kind of bring in new ideas, new hope to the society, and therefore what we're seeing today is not just it did not just happen by chance. It is something well thought of, process which has I think so they must have spent sleepless night to think about this, and of course I know about a lot of things that you were mentioning about the dilapidated structure which Madam Panbo was mentioning, and of course we're working on it, and the process I need not mention here, but the process is on, and we are going to move to the government for once we get the papers in place. We're going to move to the government for giving it a plot of land for your needs, because it's very important to have your own center to take care of not only the welfare of the society in general, but especially health and children and women. So this is something which we look forward, and I wish each one of you the best. May the spirit of today remains in your heart, and that may God bless each one of you. And I wish you all the best, and I declare this food fest and jumbo sale open this morning. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for declaring.
Parlok dijungi, bagi para pajak baru kita dalam langkah negapor, kita yarap dijungi baru, kita pang, gajing sokban. Pagkajing sultanat kajungi bahapedeng kajungi kumaha kani kapor kesin kapaningkong pa kasyong kadalpa syong lasumya ringkat pat kaseng gentai kabalong hakmat do pan penbet dia kani ka food festival dang penta kajing daun kam jong kaseng gentai pat kasyong ni barok huwai Ibet pau kajing sokban kajing kajing sunat kajing don lem don dekat jong ikhli jong kat distrik kajing ikong aran kurba ibaju ain se mingi man kapor kum kasong gabaret kasong gaba nyabun kibaya shonglan kakani kasong ibe klelang kebangin daon naktin nang way kay cosmopolitan strong but ni penpaw kajing so tanap kajing so keman kajing iba baro kinong sok strong walang ilong kumni kia walang banyak lang dekat menpelong ya kani ke food festival ke bajak hakajuk oporu ke step ke bakemen but ke ba kham sultanat ipi baro Hakuma kani kapor, but ni penpawe kajing keman ya kini ki kena school ki jongi ki badai na po all since higher secondary school. Bagi donlan don dekat ni ya kani kapor, ringkat bagi nawikai principal ki jongki. Khamda pen slam show. Kajing temu jong kani ke food festival kalong panginla ban penmi ya usenya ubenhei na kabenta kikam ibarat ba jong gaseng genthei kibai treis kam baros kata kibaya perkhat sani baros kata kuno ban penmi ya kata kafan badai kani ke jingstang ningkong kaba shimbenta shitrahem da ko penbai ya kani ke food festival indang don su di program ibadai namanta ka baha kamiat jong ke imlang salang ibanwan hadir jong ini bat kani kan long ringkat bat ke jihetri lang bat ki bor jong ka sarka. At this very moment I would like to once again extend a very warm welcome to the students of All Saints Diocesan High School, along with their teachers and principal, and also other schools who are present here step by step. They'll be coming soon. And it's a privilege for me to stand here to inform you that the head of the district, Srimati R.M. Kurba, IAS, who is the Deputy Commissioner, is here with us to give us the necessary encouragement so that this food festival comes out to be a success, and the aims and objectives of the Sangkinthe along with the Dorba Shnong, Seng Samla and the residents of the Shnong are met. Thank you so much for all of you being here. Please visit our stalls. Make for everything that you buy, you're making a contribution to the Shnong. You're all part of the Shnong, be it offices, be it residents, be it commercial establishments. Let us make this place a better place for you to work, to stay, and to do business. Once again, thank you, one and all.